Welcome back to Mech Tech Bro. If you are learning JavaScript from scratch, you are in the right place. So far, we have covered JavaScript for beginners part 1 to part 7.2. In this video, part 7.3, we continue building your JavaScript skills step by step. Like, share and subscribe to Mech Tech Bro for more easy and practical JavaScript tutorials. In today's session, I'm going to explain about indexOf includes find and findIndex. Don't worry, I'm going to explain clearly in the Visual Studio Code step by step. In today's session, first I'm going to explain about common array methods. The first topic is about indexOf. Let me use the single line comment here. Index of and index of is used to find the position index of a specified element in an array or string. If the element is not found, it returns -1. Okay, keep that in mind. Let me use the single line comment here. Let me use the single line comment. Let me show you a syntax of index of syntax array dot index of element. Don't worry, I will explain you with a simple example so that you guys can understand it properly. Let me show you the example of index of. Let me use the single line comment here. Example index of. Okay. First let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay. Let fruits equal to apple, banana, and mango. Okay, let result equal to fruits dot index of banana. Console.log result. See here, I write the code as per the syntax. You guys can cross check here. Array dot index of element. Here in arrays place I took fruits dot index of banana. Element is banana. Okay. Let me explain you what is this code about. Let fruits equal to apple, banana and mango. Means an array named fruits is created with 3 elements. Okay. And there is one more thing. Let result equal to fruits dot index of banana. Means index of means it searches for banana in the array. And it returns the index position of banana. Okay. There is one more thing. Console.log result means it prints the index value to the console. Okay. Now let me run this code for you guys. Now go to index.html, right click, go to open with the live server, right click, inspect and go to console. You guys can check here. The output is 1. The banana index value is 1 because it starts from 0, right? So apple is in 0 index, banana is in first index and mango is in second index. Instead of banana, you can, if you provide mango, Now run the code. Now you guys can check here. The index value of mango is 2. Okay. I hope you guys understand index of method. Let's move to next method. Let me use the single line comment here. Includes. See here, includes is nothing but it checks whether an array or string contains a specific value. It returns true or false. Okay, keep that in mind. Now let me show you the syntax of includes. Let me write the syntax. Array dot includes element. Array dot includes element. Okay, don't worry, I will explain you clearly with a simple example. Now let me show you the example of includes. Okay, let me use the single line comment here. Includes. Okay, includes example includes. Okay, example includes. Example includes. Now let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay, let fruits equal to first let me provide multi-line comment for example 1. For avoiding the confusion, let me provide the multi-line comment for stopping it, asterisk and slash. Okay, let fruits equal to apple, banana, and mango. Okay, let result equal to fruits dot includes mango. Okay, now console.log result. Now let me explain you what is this code about. As you can see here, let fruits equal to apple, banana and mango. An array named fruits is created containing 3 elements. Okay, and there is one more thing, let result equal to fruits dot includes mango. Means the includes method checks whether mango exists in the fruits array or not. Okay, since mango is present, it returns true. Okay, now console.log result means it prints the result true to the console. Okay, let me run the code now. Now you guys can check here, it's true. Okay, I hope you guys understand includes also. Let's move to next method. Next method is find method. Let me use the single line comment find. See here, find returns the first element in an array that satisfies a condition. Okay, if no element matches, it returns undefined. Okay, keep that in mind. Now see here, let me show you the syntax of find. Array dot find function function element okay, function element. Let me use the curly brackets here. Return condition. Return condition. Okay. This is the syntax of find. Don't worry, I will explain you with a simple example. Now let me show you the example here. Example, let me use the single line comment here. Let me use the single line comment. Example, find. Just note down the examples. Just note down the examples what I am showing here. Just practice it well. Let numbers equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay. Let result equal to numbers dot find num equal to num greater than 25. Console.log result. Let me explain you what is this code about. As you guys can see here, let numbers equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. An array numbers is created with values 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay. And the find method checks each element one by one. And the arrow function num means num is greater than 25 is the condition, as you guys can see here. Okay. The first number that satisfies the condition, the greater than 25 is 30, as you guys can see here. Okay. The value 30 is stored in the result. The console.log result prints the 30. Now let me run this code. Now you guys can check here 30. The find always returns the first match element, not all the matching elements. Okay, keep that in mind. The first match element is 30 and it's provided 30 over here, and it prints the 30 in the console. Okay, I hope you guys understand find also. Let's move to the next method. Let me use the single line comment here. Find index. Find index. This is the find index method. Find index method returns the index position of the first element that satisfy a condition. If no match is found, it returns -1. Okay, keep that in mind. Now let me write the syntax for you guys. Let me use the single line comment. Syntax array dot find index array dot find index function element. Function element. Let me use the curly brackets here. Return condition. return condition. Don't worry, I will explain with a simple example step by step. Okay, let let me use the single line comment here. Example find index. Okay, let numbers equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, let result equal to numbers dot find index num equal to then num greater than 25. Console.log result. Okay, let me explain you what is this code about. As you can see here, let numbers equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Means the array numbers contains numeric values. Okay, the find index checks the each element in the array one by one. Okay, the condition num is greater than 25 means it looks for the first number greater than 25. Okay, keep that in mind. And 30 is the first number that satisfies the condition. Okay, and the index of 30 in the array is 2. As you can see here, the 10 is in the 0 index, 20 is in the first index and 30 is in the second index. So find index returns 2, which is stored in the result. Okay, now let me run this code. Now you guys can check here. One second, first let me close this asterisk and slash. Let me run this code. Now you guys can check here. 2. The 30 is in the second index. As you can see, 10 is in the 0 index, 20 is in the first index and 30 is in the second index. I hope you guys understand these methods. If you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.